Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I wanted to show you a few cards that I've done. Well, this one, one card on this. This is a Stampin' Up card that I made. It was a thing. My demonstrator is Wendy Cranford, and she's just great. I love her to death. And she sends out things every once in a while that you can get, like a card pack where she gives you all the pieces, and like she sent the card base. I think she sent the card base, the black, and the flower base, and the cutout, and the little pieces here, and that goes with this card set. This stamp set. Celebrate Sunflowers, and it's so pretty. I love sunflowers, and I got the bundle, which means you get 10% off. So I got the dies as well. So this is what she used here, and then this is the base one, and then these little green things. So she did the video where she did, she made a card with it, and I didn't have a chance to do it the same time that she did, so I did it a little bit later, and I've been meaning to do the video for it, and I just keep forgetting to do it. So on mine, on this black piece, I embossed it, so I don't know if you can tell. There you go. I'm trying to remember which embossing. I think that's actually a I think it's a Stampin' Up one. Let me see. No, it's a Sizzix. Here it is. And I don't know the name of it. I didn't write it on here, but it's really pretty. They've got some similar ones out there that's got like hearts in here, or stars or something. And this is a 3D, so you can it really gets deep down in there. So let me see that again, right in there. And so then I went ahead and put the top on, because she didn't put them together. It's just all pieces. Put the top on, the middle, and the black for the middle. And then I'll put these little up here. But this is one of my die cuts. It says Smile, and for the life of me, I cannot remember right offhand where I got it. So if you want to know, let me know, and I'll look it up. I didn't put anything on the inside. I just put my stamp on the back. But I thought I'd show you that. Stampin' Up has a lot of pretty stamps and dies bundles, and they've also come out now with the holiday book. They're doing it different this year. They've done it earlier, and they have made it to where it includes like fall and Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, everything together. And I think it started like the 4th of this month, and it goes to the end of the year, I think. And it's got a really good selection of holiday stamps, and I think I've gotten one so far. I think I got one on order. It's supposed to be coming. But anyway, I thought I'd show you that card. Isn't it cute? I really like that. Alright, I like this, but I'm going to try the stamp next, and see if I can do some coloring on it. I may try some Copics, but I really like pencil, but I really need to start practicing a little bit more with my Copics. So, but anyway, if y'all have any questions about it, just let me know. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.